baby, hang on. Way to go, guys.
Homestead-Miami Speedway. 4 drivers: Kevin Harvick, Kyle Busch, Joey Logano, and Martin Truex Jr. Whichever one of the championship 4 gets to that finish line first will be the champion.
Drivers, start your engine!
Fired up when you're ready. Fired up. All right, Kevin Craig, when you're ready here. Ready to go, brother. Send off this low 48 car for one final time.
Field now in the hands of Denny Hamlin.
Be ready? Ready. Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. Point to the bottom. I think you're going to run the bottom. Good job avoiding him. That was in my way.
And the championship 4 continuing to compete against each other.
All right, green checker. Good job.
Kevin Harvick, stage 1 winner.
Nice work, sir.
Now the cruise. It all comes down to 13 perfect seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 here.
Knocks the lug nut off, trouble with the tire coming off, didn't have the gun switched. We're just gonna let that one go.
Ready, ready, ready. Green, green, green. Hey, run now. All right, keep rolling here. They talk about the pre. That's probably from us.
First caution of the weekend. There's a piece of metal, looks like maybe came off of the 20.
You better tell him to get his tire changers and carriers a little closer to his car, or somebody's going to get hurt.
Let's take a look at what's happening here. The 18 of Kyle Busch looks like he's going to lose a spot to the 78 of Martin Truex Jr.
What Kevin Harvick has to be careful of is Joey Logano, Martin Truex Jr., and Kyle Busch are all in the top 5.
Harvick to the bottom of the racetrack again. Larson with the momentum.
He's running the top down there.
Here he comes on the high side.
Outside.
Kyle Larson slingshots out of turn 4.
Green white checker. Nice job.
And Larson is going to win stage 2. Final 101 laps of the season, of the race. Logano, Harvick, side by side. Final stage underway.
Still there at the door, no pressure out back.
The caution has come out.
That put our championship contenders first, second, third, fourth. Will be an epic battle on pit road right here.
Hung up on the front was the front tire changer, got the hose caught, and that is going to cost Kyle Busch.
Fantastic day for all this. What the man? Damn, I can't pass the car. Need you guys, and I got 10 car back. We're all dying right here with you, man. Got 70 laps to pull something out of our here.
Of the championship 4, it's Logano, Truex Jr., Harvick 1, 2, and 3. Kyle Busch all the way down to 8.
Frustrated, just stay after here, keep working.
Battle for the lead. Joey Logano now has his hands full. Here comes the 78.
Here leaders, 78, come on.
Pit stops are starting.
And a big championship move here.
Wow, the 22 car beat the 78 off pit road by a ton.
Happens, X7? Yeah, it's off the jack. Easy. Oh, we're going to try, bud.
Kyle Busch is yet to pit, so a yellow would change everything completely.
And there's the caution. It has come out.
Spin in 2, caution's out, caution is out.
The 19 of Daniel Suarez.
2 car just shoved it in.
It's coming down to the final 15 laps. Green flag back in the air.
I just see 18 there, go get him.
Now Logano side by side with the 18 for second.
Logano with the run. Look at this run.
All the way to the back bumper of the 78. Now to the outside. Here comes Logano.
No threat, man. 1-6 still. No pressure. No pressure at all.
He has risen well above the pressure to claim his first ever Cup Series championship. It's Joey Logano who wins.
You won the championship, baby. Yeah.
Congratulations, Joey Logano. You are the champion.
Yeah, right, we are.